right. So the first question says, powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. The question asks, what was the purpose of this amendment? Okay, what's the purpose of the 10th Amendment? Who can tell me?
Good question. B.
Okay, somebody raise their hand. Tell me what they think the answer is.
Something with the federal government.
Okay, that is correct. Which answer choice says that?
C.
Okay, C. Correct answer choice is C.
Yes.
Okay, so listen. The writing helps you guys, obviously. Okay.
No.
10th Amendment. What does this say?
It says federalism.
Federalism. Okay, so anytime you guys see the 10th Amendment, understand the 10th Amendment is associated with federalism. Okay. What does federalism mean, or what is federalism? Okay, we talked. Okay, it's the type of government. Remember we talked about the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists.
Isn't
Okay.
the Federalist is the one that wants the president to be in charge? The
Okay.
Anti-Federalist want the states to be in charge?
Very good. So that's right. The Federalists wanted a strong national government. Okay, strong national government, strong government for the United States. Anti-Federalists wanted strong government for who? Noah. Noah, who does the Anti-Federalists want a strong government for?
The United States.
All the way around.
The State of the United.
I know
Okay, mine.
the people.
Okay, the people, they want a strong, what kind of government?
The states.
State government or local government, right? Okay, so Federalists, again, one more time, want a strong, what kind of government?
Yeah.
Good, awesome, strong national government. Okay, so we know that they want a strong national government, which answer choice says that they want a strong national government. Okay, well, federalism is going to, federalism is associated with national government. Okay, federalism, we find the answer choice that has the word federal in it, okay? Because the amendment talks about the powers not given in the Constitution to the states are given to who? Powers not given in the Constitution to the United States are given to who?
People.
Given to the states and the people.
Yeah.
Okay? So that means we're taking away some power from who? The federal government, right? We're going to take some power away because if it doesn't say it in the Constitution, that power is given to the states or the people. So we're limiting the authority of the federal government. Okay? Next question says, how did President Lincoln succeed in permanently abolishing the practice represented by the tree in this cartoon? Okay, we already discussed what does the tree say?
Slavery.
Slavery. So the question is, how is Abraham Lincoln going to get rid of slavery? Okay? By ordering the use of popular sovereignty to decide the issue of slavery. Okay, popular sovereignty is like voting. Are people going to vote on the issue of slavery? Is that how he's going to end it?
No.
Okay, no. Option choice G. By encouraging an armed rebellion of slaves in the South. Okay, is the president going to say, let's just take some weapons to the South and arm the slaves, and that's how we're going to end slavery?
Yes.
Okay? Is that what Abraham Lincoln did?
No.
No. Okay. H. By promoting the passage and ratification of the 13th Amendment.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone? Okay. Or J. By helping abolitionists fund the Underground Railroad. Okay. So this is something we haven't talked about yet, but we'll get to it. But the correct answer is H. It says it up here on the slide, right? The 13th Amendment ended slavery. So, by promoting the passage and ratification of the 13th Amendment, okay, the amendment that would end slavery, that is how he abolished slavery, by passing that amendment. Okay? Sweet. Next.
Wait, what? It's H. Yes. Oh, wait.
Actually,
Oh, what?
Hit delete. It'll go back one. Okay, here we go. So, the Bill of Rights are not only unnecessary in the proposed Constitution, but would even be dangerous. Those who agreed with this point of view are known as, so they didn't support what? What did they not support?
Wait,
First,
this is number.
did I skip one?
You
Two?
did skip one.
Okay, you go back one more.
I think so, right?
Oh, yep. Okay, this
Grade
one.
mile.
Why was this structure created by the framers of the Constitution? Okay, they're creating representation in the Senate versus the House. Okay, the Senate, we want an equal number of seats for all states. In the House, in the House, we want it based on population. Okay, this was again, it says it here, the New Jersey and the Virginia plan. Remember, based on equal number, based on population. What was that a compromise between?
Like large and small states.
Good, large and small states. Cameron, which state of these two is the smaller one? New Jersey, right? New Jersey wanted it to where everybody's equal because that would benefit the small state. And the bigger state, Virginia, wanted the population based on, or they wanted it based on what? AJ?
What?
The representation for the big states, they wanted it based on what?
It says it.
Where?
Right, if you see Virginia on this side,
Yeah.
what was it?
Help them out also.
They wanted it based off of population.
Based off population, okay? It says it right here. So, to reach a compromise between large states and small states, we're gonna split the Senate up one way and split the House of Representatives another. Remember, this was the New Jersey and Virginia plan. We talked about that, right? Remember that lecture when we talked about Virginia and New Jersey plan? Okay? Cool.
Big election.
Correct answer is B, to reach a compromise between large and small states.
Yay.
Okay?
It doesn't work.
Hit enter.
Enter?
There we
You should just let me do that.
go. Those who agree with this point of view are known as, okay, so they are, so the Bill of Rights are not only unnecessary in the proposed Constitution, but would even be dangerous. So they want to take out the Bill of Rights. Who would want to take out the Bill of Rights?
Federal.
Okay, Federalists would want to take out the Bill of Rights because Federalists again support what? A strong what?
Central government. National.
Good, a strong national government. Okay, and the Bill of Rights is giving power to who? The states and the people, right? Especially the people. The Bill of Rights, those first 10 amendments are the rights you have as a citizen, right? And if you're a Federalist, you want who to have more power?
States. Yourself. Or not
If you're a Federalist.
You want the.
If you're a Federalist, who do you want to have more power?
National government.
The federal government, right? Okay, so a Federalist would not want the Bill of Rights in because that's giving more power to the people. Alright? Correct answer for 18 was H.
Yay.
Okay, 19. Which of the following is the best example of an early U.S. struggle to define the domestic authority of the central government? Okay, we already decided that domestic means something happening in our country, right? Domestic. So which of these is happening domestically?
Oh, wait. I would say D.
Okay, D is the correct answer.
That's
Okay.
And the other one, it just has to be.
So it's an early struggle to define the authority of the central government, okay? So remember, the Whiskey Rebellion is what ends up being how we determine that we need a strong what? Federal government. Because under the Shays Rebellion, did we have a strong federal government? No, right? What happened during Shays Rebellion? Militia? Yep. Okay, good. So the Shays Rebellion had to be shut down by the state militia. Okay, and it was difficult for them to do so. It was hard for them to get it shut down. So they understood that they needed a strong national government to come in and help shut those type of rebellions down, and that was the Whiskey Rebellion. Where who wrote in on the Whiskey Rebellion to shut it down, Noah? Noah, who wrote in and helped shut down the Whiskey Rebellion? Bryson. Who came in and helped shut down the Whiskey Rebellion?
Somebody.
Okay, Braden.
Braden.
George Washington.
George Washington. Okay. George Washington came in and shut down the Whiskey Rebellion. Okay. And so that was how we decided that we needed a strong central government. Okay. Braden, go ahead and go to the next one.
I think that's the last.
That was the last one.
Was that the last one?
Yeah, I
Okay.
got them all right.
Cool.
Yeah, so did I. 100.
Good job. Okay, hang on to this. We're going to go over some more in the next couple days.